Cleaning tip of the day from FastKlean. Tricks on how to tackle mildew on furniture. Mix half a cup of vinegar, 1 cup of ammonia, a quarter cup of baking soda and a gallon of water. The mix is ideal for wooden patio pieces and painted outdoor surfaces. It also works well on wicker furniture when you wash it with a gallon of water and 2 tablespoons of ammonia. Use an old toothbrush for all of the hard-to-reach spots. Make sure you always wear gloves when working with ammonia and never mix the solution with bleach. Visit our YouTube channel for more amazing cleaning tips. Like, share, and follow for more tips.